Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the no audio issue in Windows laptop. So for this you have to go to the Windows, then you have to search for the settings option from here. After that you have to wait couple of seconds to get loaded, then you have to click on the system option, then you have to click on the sound option from here. And here you have to choose the speakers that you are currently using or you would like to get the output voice. After that you have to scroll down, then you have to click on the troubleshoot common sound problems, then you have to click on the output devices from here. So if you simply click on it, then it will you have to follow all the steps that it is going to show. And if you follow the steps, then here you can see the troubleshoot is already getting started. You have to simply follow this out. After that, if that's not working, then you have to click on the more sound settings option down from here, and here you have to click on the playback tab. Then make sure that the speakers that you are currently using is enabled. So you have to, if you want to enable it, then you have to simply click on it, then you have to right click on it, then you have to choose the enable option from here if it's disabled. For example, my speaker is enabled, that's why it's showing the disable option. And also you can use the disable option from here. And for the setup, for default, make the speaker to default, then you have to click on it, then you have to click on the set on default, then you have to click on apply, then you have to click on OK. So the second method that you can do is, the second thing you can do is go to the start button, then you have to search for the services option from here. And here you can see the services option is as simply as here, and it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. After that you have to search for the Windows audio, and we are looking for the Windows audio. You have to scroll down to the below, and here we can see that we got the Windows Studio. Then you have to make sure that the startup type is to automatic, then you have to click on apply, then you have to click on OK. After that you have to click on Windows audio again and make sure the service status is to set to running. And if it's not set to running, then you have to click on the start button option from here, and then it will simply make your service status to running. You have to click on apply, then you have to click on OK. And lastly, then you have to right click on it, then you have to click on the restart option from here, and it will simply solve your problem. And if that's not working, then the third method is, you have to simply go to the start button again, then you have to search for the device manager option from here. After that you have to wait a couple of seconds, then it will take a couple of seconds according to your specifications. Then you have to click on the audio inputs and outputs option from here. You have to simply expand it, and then you have to choose the speaker that you are currently using, and then you have to right click on it, then you have to click on update driver. After that you have to click on the search automatically for drivers, and if you're done with it, then you have to go to the device manager again, and you have to simply right click it again, then you have to click on update driver again, then you have to click on the browse my computer for drivers, then you have to click on next, then here you have to choose the audio endpoint, then you have to simply click on it, then it will simply update your driver. After that, what you need to do is go to the below, then you have to click on the sound, video and game controllers, then you have to choose the driver that you'd like to update. For example, I am using the Realtek R audio, then you have to right click on it, then you have to click on the update driver, then you have to choose the browse my computer from drivers, then you have to click on let me pick from a list available drivers on my computer, then you have to click on the Realtek high definition audio SSD, then you have to click on next. After that it will simply solve your problem. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.